Which of the following symptoms requires you to report to the person in charge and not work until they have subsided for at least 24 hours? A. Sneezing. B. Diarrhea. C. Coughing. D. Headache. Answer B. Food handlers must not work when they have diarrhea, as it can spread foodborne illnesses. What is the correct temperature range for the danger zone? A. 41 degrees Fahrenheit to 135 degrees Fahrenheit. B. 32 degrees Fahrenheit to 140 degrees Fahrenheit. C. 45 degrees Fahrenheit to 130 degrees Fahrenheit. D. 50 degrees Fahrenheit to 120 degrees Fahrenheit. Answer A. The danger zone is where bacteria grow rapidly, making food unsafe. How long should you scrub your hands with soap and running water during hand washing? A. At least 10 seconds. B. At least 5 seconds. C. At least 20 seconds. D. At least 30 seconds. Answer C. Proper hand washing requires scrubbing for at least 20 seconds to effectively remove germs. When must you wash your hands twice, double hand wash? A. After touching raw meat. B. After using the toilet. C. After handling garbage. D. Before starting work. Answer B. Double hand wash is required after using the toilet to ensure thorough removal of germs. Which of the following is not a proper hand washing step? A. Using warm running water. B. Using soap. C. Drying hands with a towel. D. Wiping hands on a cloth apron. Answer D. Hands should be dried with a single-use towel or air dryer, not a cloth apron. What should you do if you have a cut on your hand? A. Ignore it. B. Cover it with a clean bandage and wear a glove. C. Continue working without protection. D. Use only a glove without a bandage. Answer B. To prevent contamination, cover cuts with a bandage and wear a glove. What is cross-contamination? A. The spread of bacteria from one surface to another. B. Cooking food to the correct temperature. C. Washing hands properly. D. Using the same cutting board for all foods. Answer A. Cross-contamination occurs when harmful bacteria are transferred from one surface to another. Which food requires a minimum internal cooking temperature of 165 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 seconds? A. Ground beef. B. Poultry. C. Fish. D. Pork. Answer B. Poultry must be cooked to 165 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 seconds to ensure it is safe to eat. How should potentially hazardous foods be held to prevent bacterial growth? A. At temperatures above 135 degrees Fahrenheit or below 41 degrees Fahrenheit. B. At room temperature. C. In the danger zone. D. At temperatures between 41 degrees Fahrenheit and 135 degrees Fahrenheit. Answer A. Holding food at safe temperatures prevents bacterial growth. What should you do if you see signs of pests in your food establishment? A. Ignore them. B. Use household pesticides. C. Contact a licensed pest control service. D. Set traps yourself. Answer C. A licensed pest control service should handle pest issues to ensure proper and safe extermination. What is the first step in cleaning and sanitizing utensils and equipment? A. Rinsing. B. Washing. C. Sanitizing. D. Drying. Answer B. The first step is washing to remove food debris and dirt. How often should you clean and sanitize cutting boards? A. Once a day. B. After each use. C. Once a week. D. Only when visibly dirty. Answer B. Cleaning and sanitizing after each use prevents cross-contamination. Which of the following is a potentially hazardous food? A. Dry rice. B. Bread. C. Cooked vegetables. D. Sugar. Answer C. Cooked vegetables are moist and can support bacterial growth if not handled properly. What should you do if food falls into the danger zone for more than 4 hours? A. Reheat it. B. Cool it quickly. C. Discard it. D. Freeze it. Answer: C. Food in the danger zone for more than 4 hours should be discarded to prevent foodborne illness. When is it necessary to use a metal stem probe food thermometer? A. When cooking food. B. When holding food. C. When cooling food. D. All of the above. Answer: D. A thermometer is essential for checking temperatures during cooking, holding, and cooling. What is the recommended temperature for hot holding potentially hazardous foods? A. 120 degrees Fahrenheit. B. 130 degrees Fahrenheit. C. 135 degrees Fahrenheit. D. 140 degrees Fahrenheit. Answer: C. Hot holding at 135 degrees Fahrenheit or above keeps food safe by preventing bacterial growth. What is the proper way to cool a large pot of soup? A. Leave it on the counter. B. Place it in the refrigerator immediately. C. Use an ice bath and stir frequently. D. Cover it tightly and leave it at room temperature. Answer: C. An ice bath and frequent stirring help cool the soup quickly and safely. What should you do before using a thermometer to check food temperature? A. Wipe it with a cloth. B. Calibrate it. C. Dip it in sanitizer. D. Nothing. Answer: B. Calibration ensures the thermometer provides an accurate temperature reading. What is the correct way to store raw meat in a refrigerator? A. Above ready-to-eat foods. B. Below ready-to-eat foods. C. On the same shelf as ready-to-eat foods. D. In any available space. Answer: B. Storing raw meat below ready-to-eat foods prevents cross-contamination. Why is it important to keep fingernails trimmed and clean? A. To prevent nail breakage. B. To avoid scratching surfaces. C. To prevent harboring germs. D. To look professional. Answer: C. Clean, trimmed nails prevent germs from accumulating and contaminating food. What should be done if food needs to be reheated for hot holding? A. Heat to at least 165 degrees Fahrenheit within 2 hours. B. Heat to 135 degrees Fahrenheit. C. Heat to 120 degrees Fahrenheit. D. Heat to 150 degrees Fahrenheit. Answer: A. Reheating to 165 degrees Fahrenheit within 2 hours ensures food safety. How often should food thermometers be calibrated? A. Once a year. B. Once a month. C. Daily. D. Weekly. Answer: C. Daily calibration ensures the accuracy of food thermometers. Which type of contamination involves foreign objects in food? A. Biological. B. Chemical. C. Physical. D. Cross. Answer: C. Physical contamination includes foreign objects like hair, glass, or metal in food. What should you do with food that is contaminated? A. Try to clean it. B. Cook it to a higher temperature. C. Store it separately. D. Discard it. Answer: D. Contaminated food should be discarded to prevent foodborne illness. What is the minimum internal temperature for cooking ground beef? A. 145 degrees Fahrenheit. B. 150 degrees Fahrenheit. C. 155 degrees Fahrenheit. D. 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Answer: C. Ground beef should be cooked to an internal temperature of 155 degrees Fahrenheit to ensure safety. How should chemicals be stored in a food establishment? A. Below food and utensils. B. Above food. C. On the same shelf as food. D. Next to food preparation areas. Answer: A. Chemicals should be stored below food and utensils to prevent contamination. What is the most important reason for cleaning and sanitizing utensils? A. To make them look new. B. To remove odors. C. To prevent cross-contamination. D. To comply with health regulations. Answer, C. Cleaning and sanitizing utensils prevent cross-contamination and ensure food safety. When should you change single-use gloves? A. Every hour. B. After handling raw meat. C. At the end of your shift. D. After touching money. Answer, B. Gloves should be changed after handling raw meat to prevent cross-contamination. What should be done if you find a pest in the kitchen? A. Ignore it. B. Try to remove it yourself. C. Report it to your manager. D. Use household pesticides. Answer, C. Report pest sightings to a manager to ensure proper handling by a professional. What temperature should hot food be held at on a steam table? A. 130 degrees Fahrenheit. B. 135 degrees Fahrenheit. C. 140 degrees Fahrenheit. D. 150 degrees Fahrenheit. Answer, B. Hot food should be held at 135 degrees Fahrenheit to prevent bacterial growth.